Since the first VR headset, virtual reality industry has always been heading towards full physicality for VR interactions. Now it's time for VR locomotion to follow. Presenting Cat Loco, the new standard of VR locomotion. Its small wireless sensors free your hands from controlling the body movement. This is the last step to creation of a complete VR system with head control for vision, hand control for manual interactions, and foot control for locomotion. This effectively increases immersion, reduces motion sickness, and gives you unlimited space in VR. As the third pillar of immersive VR, Cat Loco allows you to carry out a wide variety of intuitive and accurate actions. Walk, run, and stop instantly, and use analog speed. Thanks to our deep integration sensors and inertial motion capture algorithm system, we can achieve enhanced accuracy and low motion latency within 20 milliseconds. Our sensors provide decoupled head and body directions, allowing you to independently look around, aim, and shoot while constantly moving towards any intended direction. Our algorithms will accurately recognize your actual intentions, allowing you to walk when you want to, and avoid frustrating, inadvertent movement when you don't, as you continuously use room scale support. If you ever find yourself overwhelmed in close combat, you can effortlessly retreat or simply strafe to take cover. Fully utilize Cat Loco support for a wide variety of movements. Performing multiple fast-paced actions will help you catch your opponents off guard. Planning a longer journey? Use cruise control. Traversing vast lands through virtual worlds has never been easier. Being so comprehensive, Cat Loco is still user-friendly from its wireless design and simple installation, to easy use and super durable batteries that last up to 10 hours, allowing you to enjoy the virtual world whenever you like, however you like. Our new software is integrated both with your computer desktop and VR headset, enabling easy access to Loco's control panel. Cat Loco is compatible with all major VR headsets.
Thanks for watching. A like would be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe.